Welcome back. Subhash Desai, Nilesh Kabral, Vishnu Wagh and Naresh Sawal grilled Industries Minister Mahadev Naik over lack of infrastructure for the present and proposed industrial estate. Jennifer Montserrat, Congress MLA, asked whether government's new concept of special investment regions was a new format of SEZs and whether government had any concrete industrial policy in place. Chief Minister in reply cleared the SIR news was not true and a task force would be formed for industrial sector within 7 days. Task force will give a proposed draft to the government.
इंडस्ट्रीज कश्यो येतल्यो म्हाका दिसता 7-8 वर्सां जाली ही इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट म्हणून डिफायन केल्ली आसा एक्विजिशन जाल्लें आसा आनी तातूंत भितर जर फुडें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरच जर तुमी करना तातूंत थंय लायट व्हरना थंय उदक व्हरना जाल्यार इंडस्ट्रीज येतले कश्यो पयलीं इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट करतले आनी मागीर रस्तो जावनी न्ही इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट घालपाक आनी 2 वर्सां आनी मागीर 3 वर्सां परत रस्तो करपाक अशें आसा काय वांगडाच जावपाक जाय
आमकां थंय हायली मॅकनायज आनी हायली हें थंय नाका ज्यो चडांत चड रोजगार दितल्यो त्या बेकारीक उबा चडांत चड एम्प्लॉयमेंट ओरिएंटेड आमकां जाय अशा प्रकारची पॉलिसी डिपार्टमेंटान केल्ली आसा काय कितें
चलना जाल्यार ताका कित्याक दवरल्या थंय पगार घेवपाक एकट्याक सस्पेंड केलो बाकीच्या सगळ्यांक सस्पेंड करपाचें ताका जर काम करपाक कळना ताका कित्याक दवरला तो हश्मी म्हणून हांगा बसयला तो हश्मी फक्त भाशणां करता
Does the government have an industrial policy in place? Does the government intend to revive SEZs which was scrapped by the government in 2008?
जो मॅटर पळय आसा ते सबज्युडीस आसा म्हण ताजेर हांव चड उलोवंक सोदिना कारण ते कोर्टान आशिल्ले कारणान ताजेर उलोवप एवळा बरोबर जावचें ना.
SIR in its draft investment come industrial policy that seeks to boost industrial growth.
न्ही म्हाका एक गजाल कळना की ही SIR तुमच्या तकलेन कशें आयलें काय म्हणून कारण तो विशय आमच्या मुखार ना.
गव्हर्मेंटाचे आतां पयरच्या हातून बजेटान वी हॅव मेड अनाउन्समेंट दॅट वी आर फॉर्मिंग टास्क फोर्स विथीन 7 days. By this next Monday, the task force will be in place. You give your suggestion. By 30th May, the investment is same as industrial policy. The news report which appeared in one of the big newspaper with a headline was totally bogus, or was a table news, nothing more than that.
So SIR is not the new avatar of SEZ.
No, this is paper news.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
A 10th standard student at Loliem committed suicide on Thursday. Neighbors claim that he was hanging to the rope of the well with his feet touching the water level. People from the area have vouched for this 15-year-old boy but are perplexed on the reason behind his death.
बॉडी सगळ्यांनी आमकां खूब जाणां पळयली आनी हांवें बी पळयली
गांवच्या लोकांनी
गांवच्या लोकांनी
म्हणजे कशी स्थिती आशिल्ली बॉडी
बॉडी घुमटे पास उबो जालो तो पास पांय तेका जमनी उदकांत तेकताले
आनी उदकां बुडोवन नाशिल्लो
उदकांत बुडलो
म्हळ्यार गळ आवळून मेलो तो
हय गळ्या आवडलो
तेंचें घर खंय मूळ घर खंय तेंचें
मोटेकाळी
ओटेका कर्नाटका आनी कितले वर्स जाले रावता ती
आतां हिंगा कितें 10 वर्सां जाली रावता ती
10 वर्सां जाली रावता
भुरगीं एकदम बरो सगळ्या विचार एकदम भांगर म्हणलेल्या भशेन तो कोणा कडेन कटकट ना काय ना कोणा झगडी ना काय ना भुरग्यां कडेन झगडी ना आनी सगळ्यांक येयल्या काका काका म्हणत वचो इतलें तेगे आतां कितें तेंगे घडलें घरान तें मात आमकां खबर ना हय आनी वनू तेगे धावेर पयर थोडे दीस तो रातचो थंय ट्युशनाक घेवतालो म्हयनोभर कितलो धाकटां मागीर सकाळ फुडें येवप
शिकपा बी कसो आशिल्लो
शिकपा बरो आशिल्लो.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has again assured to take over higher secondary of Chogle College if the management is adamant to close it down. Fatauda MLA Vijay Sardesai has burst out that Chogle management was purposely promoting steep decline in admissions through its online portal. CM also told Fatauda MLA to raise this issue during demands on education as the matter is sub judice at the moment. But he said that government would take over higher secondary if they are not interested.
In view of the fact that the Chogle Education Society has repeatedly requested the government to allow it to close the higher secondary section of the Chogle College, and the fact that it is surreptitiously spreading rumors of the closure even on its website, does the government envisage any mischief on the part of the management to prevent or to minimize new admissions this year? In 2013, which is this academic year, the standard 11th art students were 58 as against 108 last year. Science was 137 as against 215 last year. When this same issue came up in the House last time, the Chief Minister attributed it perhaps to smell emanating from Sosado. Now that the garbage treatment plant is functional, this excuse cannot be given.
Because सध्या विषय हायकोर्टान पावला म्हज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे त्यामुळे सगळ्या हांव गजालीचे उत्तरां आतां दीत धरतू जाल्यार म्हज्या हायकोर्टान चौगुलेच्या मॅनेजमेंटाच्या अर्जाक उत्तर दिवपाक लिमिटेशन येवंक शकता पण हांव इतलेंच एश्युरन्स दिता की ते बंद जावंक दिवचें ना. म्हाका दिसता डायरेक्टर ऑफ एज्युकेशन इज वेरी क्लियर ऑन 8(3) said that there is no additional substance which has come before us by which we should give you the permission. Therefore, permission is denied. Against this order, he has gone to the High Court. So, I would request the member that he can raise the issue at Aizus as a hearing. I don't want to prejudice by making statement which may have an impact in the High Court. You can raise the issue during 24th or some April when the education demands are there. That time I should be in better position to reply. तांकां बंद कर, तांकां चलोवपाची इच्छा नासली जाल्यार सरकार चलोवंक शकता.
That is what. Let the government come firm on this. की चौगुले एज्युकेशन सोसायटी जर चलयना सरकारान चलोवचें.
We will come firm in the court.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGo or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.